apparently, this man in this office, let me give you a picture. Let me draw you, Sondel. In this office, Yawasasa, right? There's this beautiful woman who is married. Apparently, this woman refuses to sleep with this big boss. You are live and South Africa is listening.
Okay, my name is Ndombi Zake at Halifax. I'm working for SASSA.
I have read about you, Mrs. Fax. I have read that you took your boss to the CCMA. You got the entire regional boss fired.
And SASSA decided to defend the decision where they were feeling kuti they have dismissed him for his wrongs, you know.
Okay. Ndifuna uhamba nawe. I want to walk with you very slowly. So, you reported sexual harassment to the CEO.
Yes.
The CEO there were internal processes that led to him being dismissed by the CEO.
Yes.
Now,
yes.
he went to the CCMA to try to challenge that decision. But SASSA said, "Asijike, hamba funding."
Yes. There was nothing wrong when you were dismissed. And I gave Minister, because as a new minister, the side of my story and how far is it is. And this still is on the arbitration at CCMA. Minister undiphendule and kungcono mnandi bandisaphangela kwaSASSA.
Hi.
That is written in black and white.
Mrs. Fax supposed an entire minister of the country.
Our whole entire minister, the whole president of the Women's League, a mother, a female,
Who
responded to me like that.
Aqale athi kuye uyayithanda le light yakho le.
Hayibo.
So athi yomnye myeni kum akayo light.
This is the boss at the boss's house.
Yes.
You?
Then abe sifuna ukubona zithini qualifications zakhe. I-reason yoba ambizele apha kudala ifuna le chance yoba akathethe naye. Ucela bathandane. Mna ndizoyazi lonto. Yena uza kumtshintshela ubomi.
So just for translation, the boss calls your wife over to his house, ne?
Yes.
And he actually says that he wants them to date behind your back.